episode of Taste and Bloom. If you're new here, before anything else, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're appointed anytime I post a new video. I'll be posting nutritiously yummy homemade recipes for our babies and toddlers. So do stick and stay with me and let's bloom together. Before we delve into the video, this is just something to put a smile on your face. Let us chit chat a little. Are you starting your baby on solids anytime soon? How do you feel? Do leave a comment down below and let's see who else feels the same way. There are some signs to look out for which give hints that your baby may be ready for solids. These signs are not in any particular order, but the first sign to look out for is that your baby is able to sit upright with support. This means he can hold his head and has good neck control. Your baby will have an easier time learning to eat if he has the strength to sit up, and this will also enhance communication between you two. Another sign is your baby losing his tongue thrust reflex. Big English, eh? It means he is able to push his tongue out to prevent from choking. It can be frustrating to hear your baby cry even after he has had a full portion of his milk. It just may be time to start solids. Look at the succulent lips of my almost 6-month-old. He was eating my banku in spirit. When your baby becomes this curious about food, it's a sign that he is ready for solids. Just feed him. But before starting solids, you must ensure that your baby has at least doubled his birth weight. It is therefore advisable to check with a pediatrician before you start offering your baby solids. I cannot emphasize enough how patient you must be in this new chapter of your baby's life. Be sure to offer one type of food to your baby for at least 3 days, so you can have an eye out for allergies. This drama, I'll be beating it, Papa. Always practice good hygiene when it comes to preparing your baby's food. We don't want our bloomers getting sick. And last but definitely not the least, for starters, make sure that your purees are of soupy consistency so baby can enjoy. Now let's head to the kitchen. On the menu is banana puree. This is a great choice for your baby's first solid food. Apart from its supply of essential nutrients, it's easy on the stomach. I will be using a blender because I want extra smooth, but you can also use a fork to mash till there are no lumps in there, so your baby can enjoy. Like I said, I will be using a blender. Look at that smooth, yummy puree. I would advise you make the quantity your baby can finish in one feed, so you don't store leftovers. Looks yummy, right? And I bet your baby will enjoy it. Avocados are in season in Ghana, and it would be nice if your baby can also enjoy them. I have washed and cut mine into small pieces and will be using the blender to puree. Just like with the banana puree, you can use a fork to mash your avocado for your baby. In goes my avocado. Like I said, I'm using the blender. There you have it, nicely mashed up. There's a little twist. This may not be one of your baby's favorites, so what you can do is to add breast milk or your baby's formula to the puree before feeding it to him or her, of course. Avocados are a good source of calcium, iron and zinc, which help develop strong and healthy bones and tissues. So I'm going for this consistency because I'm feeding it to my almost 6-month-old. Be sure to mix in your breast milk or formula so that it is well incorporated into your avocado puree. Afi eha na edeno. If you have a sweet tooth like mine, you will take a tablespoon of your banana puree. For avocado puree. Nutritiously yummy weight booster. Bam. So until we meet again in the next video, be sure to try these no-cook recipes for our bloomers and hit the notification bell. It's important so you are the first to land here anytime I post a video. So until next time, keep blooming.